Wow. Alright, so Manchester City 2, Borussia Monchengladbach 0. So Kevin De Bruyne rest, Fernandinho rest. So it seems as if these guys were actually prepared for Arsenal game. But anyways, this is not about Arsenal Football Club. Solid, outstanding performance from Manchester City. Got a goal from Bernardo Silva. Also a goal from Gabriel Jesus. Assist from Silva. Silva was actually the man pulling the strings in this game. So another solid performance from Manchester City. And one thing I realized with Manchester City is that they're conceding so little amount of shots on their goal. They're retrieving the ball so quick, and then counter pressing, very good counter pressing. So another solid performance, to be fair. And I can tell you that this team looks like a team that is well drilled, well oiled, and they're just gunning. And solid, extremely solid defensively, compact in the midfield area, retrieve the ball so fast. I can see that. Not gonna say it, but I think this is a chance that Manchester City have to go a bit further in the competition. Many might say this competition is for maybe teams that has the pedigree or have won it before, but the time has to come in which Manchester City, the likes of Manchester City, who haven't won the Champions League, also Arsenal as well. The time will come at some point in time. It has to happen. But solid performance. Gabriel Jesus looked really sharp. You'll see the likes of Aguero back on the front foot, and I think most Manchester City fans are going to be happy about that. Really happy. So solid performance, really stand out for Manchester City. Hopefully they can move as far as possible in this tournament, and I think this is one that Pep Guardiola would really want to win. This has been Military Guna TV. My little review on the game that I just witnessed. Very good, solid game from Manchester City, beating Borussia Monchengladbach 2-0. And guess what? I am out.